Hello class, how are you today? I hope you are all doing great. Today we will look into the unreal past. First of all, we all may already be familiar with the unreal past. It is used with expressions such as wish, if only, or suppose, or supposing that. And they are mainly used followed by past tenses, such as the past simple, the past continuous, and the past perfect simple, to speak about events in the present, in the past, or in the future. To speak about events in the present, we need to use the past simple. To speak about events in the past, we need to use the past perfect simple. And to speak about events in the future, we need to use the past continuous. We will have a closer look at each of them. Number 1, it is high or it is about time that is used to speak about situations that are not happening but should. For example, it is about time she left that job, but she hasn't left it yet. It is commonly used with the past simple because it is referred to the present. Number 2, what if, suppose, or supposing that. They are commonly used in questions about imaginary situations in the present or future or past and their consequences. Do you remember that at the beginning of the video I told you that the past simple is used to refer to events in the present, the past continuous for the future, and the past perfect for the past? Now, in case you make a question using the past simple or the past continuous, it will have a similar form and meaning to that in the second conditional. And in case your question has a past perfect simple, it will have a similar form and meaning to that in the third conditional. Compare the following examples. What if we painted the room in yellow? It is referred to the present. Suppose we were dating. Would you be happy? It is in an unreal future. Supposing they had closed the roads. Would that have been a good idea? It is referred to the past. It is possible to use the present simple in these cases, but in this case the situation is not imaginary but probable, as the example that you can see below. Number 3, would rather or would sooner. They are commonly used to speak about preferences and they are followed by the past simple. They describe again preferences or they are a polite way to make a suggestion, to give or to refuse permission. For example, I would rather you took a taxi. It is not safe in the streets, a polite suggestion. I would rather you didn't open the door. It is not polite for me, or that would not be nice. I am trying to be polite. Number 4, as if or as though. They are mainly used in positive sentences followed by the past simple to say how something appears now and stress the fact that it does not match reality. He looks as if he knew the answer, even though I know it's not probable that he knows the answer. We can also use the present here, but in this case there is a possibility that what is being described is real. She looked as if or as though she has been crying means that I think it is possible. And finally, number 5, wish and if only. There are 5 possible combinations for this pair of words. We can follow them with the past simple. In this case, we express desire for something to be different in the present. For example, if only I had a bit more money, but I don't have it. We can also use the past perfect to express regret. I wish I hadn't bought those shoes, but I bought them. We can also use would to criticize or to complain to express we want something annoying to stop. I wish cyclists wouldn't cycle on the pavement. It is annoying for me. We can also use could to speak about desires impossible to achieve or to speak about ourselves. I wish I could understand what they are saying, but I don't. Remember that we don't use would or the past simple to speak about something about our personality or physical appearance. We need to use could. And we can also use could have to regret about something in the past, which is very similar to the use of the past perfect. We can say, if only I could have arrived on time. Unfortunately, it was impossible for me and I didn't arrive on time. I hope this video has been useful for you. Wait for the practice, wait for the reading section, and in case you have any questions, post them on the forum so that I can answer them as soon as possible. Thank you all for your attention, and I hope that you have a nice day.